excited. Get me coming in sexy.
So we are all packed and ready to go. All the equipment is there. So what is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to be doing another behind the scenes of another shoot we are going on. Some exciting stuff today. We see.
Yo,
We back again.
back again on the vlog, man.
And this time we have
Bruno, his son.
Production assistant.
Production
PA
assistant.
for the day.
PA for the day.
Our shoot is at North Deck, which is past Santa Cruz, but we have to drive all the way into Santa Cruz to pick up this man.
And the man important for the shoot, boy, so we had to go and pick him.
He's special. Yo! You real important to know.
Why are important, right?
Yeah, what you can find out.
What kind of road trip? Chile, we already here.
Alright, so today we are at North Deck filming. We are doing a filming session with a local band. Please introduce yourself to the vlog.
I mean, the vlog should already know me. Kevin Adams.
We need to get on a big panel van, a grip truck. We need to go.
We mean you didn't sign up for
I
this.
didn't sign up for this. Like, next thing you know, this is I think break up and like fall. Like,
So, just arbitrarily on today, a Sunday in July, the thing going to break up.
Okay, and arbitrarily in like January, coronavirus happened, you know.
Wow.
Gotta retitle you director of photography.
Cheery.
We're going
see you,
on.
man.
Can't complain, man. How things? How you find the places so far?
No, this place is spectacular. You're gonna get some awesome shots today.
Yeah, nah. So why anytime you just come on camera, you had to put on your Brooklyn accent?
I mean, amazing. Check out the cottage on the left. My goodness.
The raining boy. Right now the shoot is an hour and a half away. Now look one in the tree there. That tree right there. The top. The last one before the cliff drop. On the top there. What you talking about? Your belly full?
This man belly never full, so I don't know what you trying to fool because we filming a vlog here. You sit there and say you belly full.
Production starts in 2 minutes. T minus 2 minutes. Not your time, my time. Not your time.
That's it for coming in? Alright. What do I love about Trinidad?
What's not to love about Trinidad and Tobago? It's a beautiful, one of the most beautiful places in the entire world. We are blessed with the best nature.
Music and what vibes it. Yes. People, culture, good weather, and vibes. You know, art is a reflection of life itself, and we can be conduits. You know, really bring it. It's a blessing and an honor to be an artist in this time, in these historical times. And we feel the things that we may want to experience and the things that we may want to see. You know, art has a way of remembering. And then after you reach out. Okay.
It just started raining and we had to cover up all the equipment and everything, and production is delayed again.
Yeah, it's raining. You know, there's nothing left to do but for us to grab a slice of pizza each. You know, while we wait till this rain to ease up.
I never said that.
You see, that is when you have some people come up tongue and people who live in Shogunas come up tongue. The breeze comes so and goes so. You look, you see the blue sky there? We get in blue sky. It's called the northeast trade winds. Coming so.
And that's a geography lesson from Jira. How long before we start production?
15 minutes. Finally get some sun out here. We're gonna mash up the thing.
Kevin, this week we need pizza now.
Yeah, pizza boy.
Kevin,
As a team player, I don't eat without the team.
we're gonna need the pizza now, boy.
Fellas, it was a nice shoot. You put me back where you picked me up. Right. That is it.
Yes.
Sanitize and go in your house. Sanitize and go in your house.
Hey, that get me coming in sexy. Just making sure.
Signing off.